Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mo Paid Media YouTube channel. Today's video I want to talk about what paid media is, and I just want to give a simple explanation. So this video won't be too long. So paid media essentially refers to any marketing efforts where a company pays to promote its content, product, service, or even idea. So paid media advertisement pretty much includes all of these. So we have Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, Bing, YouTube. Pretty much that's what paid media is. So, what are the top three ways to use paid media? So, how do we actually use it? The top three ways is first, it's used to increase visibility. The fact that people are paying for their advertisements to get out, they're paying for impressions, and they're paying to use Google, Facebook, Instagram, everything that I just mentioned on the previous slide. They're paying to use those services, and that way, that pretty much increases their visibility. Another way that paid media helps businesses is it attracts traffic. So again, things like Google, Facebook, Instagram, obviously these are free sites that people use. So there's going to be plenty traffic. It's Google, Facebook, those are like the top used URLs, top used platforms in the whole entire world. So there's a lot of traffic there. And not only that, you're able to drive conversions quickly because there are so many people that are on these sites that are looking for certain things, looking for things on the internet, looking for products, services, ideas, whatever. And it just so happens that Google, Facebook, all of these sites actually have it to where you're able to use their platform to promote your stuff. So plenty of traffic, plenty of ways to actually drive conversion. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you like content like this, keep watching, make sure to subscribe, and have a good day. Peace.